Hello everyone. Today, just let's talk about one of the sweetest ways to bond with your African grey parrot. Patting them on the head. These intelligent birds are known for their emotional depth, and gentle touch plays a big role in building trust and affection with them. When you first approach your African grey, make sure they're in a relaxed mood. You can usually tell when their feathers are smooth and they aren't showing signs of stress or discomfort. Start by slowly extending your hand. Remember, sudden movements can make them anxious. Once your grey feels comfortable, gently stroke the feathers on the top of their head or just above their beak. They love light pats and soft touches in this area. It's a sensitive spot, but in a good way. Keep your strokes slow and calm, as this will not only help your bird feel safe but also deepen the bond between you. You'll notice that as your African grey begins to relax, they might lean into your touch or even close their eyes. This is a sign of trust. When your bird lets down their guard like this, it means they feel completely comfortable with you. Some greys may also puff up their head feathers, inviting you to continue. It's their way of saying, I trust you and I enjoy this. Spending these moments together is more than just affection. It's an essential part of building a lasting relationship with your African grey. Over time, you'll notice that these head pats become a comfortable ritual, something both you and your parrot will look forward to. So take your time, enjoy the moment, and watch as your grey grows more attached, calm, and content with every gentle pat. Remember, bonding with a parrot like this African grey isn't just about teaching them tricks. It's about making them feel secure and loved. Happy bonding!